What if I told you pricing your offers are easier than you think? That it doesn't have to take you mountains of research. It doesn't have to take you sleepless nights. That you can price your offer in a way that attracts your ideal clients and has them say yes to your highest level offer in a single sales conversation. Now, I'm going to share with you 3 things that you can do to price your offers easier than you think. And I got to tell you, you may have resistance with this. I mean, you may love this and you may not like it at all. But can you agree that even if you hate what I have to share with you, that you're not going to hate me? Is that okay? That you can just be open to what I have to share, and if it works for you, put it in your toolbox. If it doesn't, throw it out. So the first thing that's going to help you price your offers easier than you think is to price it at an amount that makes you happy. I just said that. Price it at an amount that makes you happy. Amount that you are happy to share with others, at an amount that you are happy to receive, at an amount that you are happy to see the receipt, the email receipt come through. Price it at an amount that makes you happy. Yeah, so what I'm saying is you don't have to look to your left and look to your right and look what others in your field who do similar work are pricing at it. You don't even have to price it based on, let me see, let me bring my accounting hat and see what's the cost. No, like price it at an amount that makes you happy. That's a way in which you can price your offers easier than you think. And why would you do this? Because you understand, yes, people are investing in themselves through your offer, but they're investing in you. And when you are confident, you are happy, where you have peace about your price, you're going to sell more. It's going to be easier for you to share how your offer solves the biggest problem that your ideal clients are struggling with, the problem that's keeping them up at night, the problem that they want fixed quickly, easily, effectively. It's going to be easier for you to sell it. You'll be able to, talk about how they're going to benefit, how their life is going to get better with your offer. And then you'll be able to say, and it's just $10,000, and it's just $5,000, and it's just $100,000, and it's just $1,000. Whatever price makes you happy. Price it at that. That's one strategy. Listen, if you want to learn more ways in which you can grow your sales faster without burning out, make sure to subscribe to Althea TV, hit that notification bell so you never miss a single episode. So, price what makes you happy. Yeah, like you have permission to do that. In fact, you do realize that there's someone is selling right now. Someone is selling a mug, right, for $5. And someone else is selling that same functionality, that same mug, not the exact same mug, but a mug for $150. Like you do realize it. And both mugs hold liquid, and both mugs, have a handle that you can drink from. And someone is selling one for $5. Perhaps someone's selling one for 50 cents, and someone else is selling a mug for $150, $300. They priced it at what made them happy. So you can decide, you choose, right? Okay. Second strategy, when you think of pricing, I want you to price it that is less than the value that someone's going to receive, right? Less than the payoff. Because in the face of value, price doesn't matter. Think about this right now. Let's say you are a communication strategist and you are helping people to communicate through video. You're helping people build camera confidence, something that they have been struggling with. They don't like how they look. They don't like how they sound. They have a hard time creating video. And you help them create video so that they can land their first or their 10th or their 100th speaking opportunity at the tune of $10,000. Let's say like you have shown that people who work with you, who start being more confident in front of camera, get speaking gigs at the tune of $10,000. And so that's a payoff that that person is going to get, that you know that when you follow the strategies that you will land speaking opportunities at the tune of $10,000. That's the payoff. That's one of the values, right? That's the monetary value. That's not even the emotional value, the psychological value. And so you could price your offer at $5,000 because the value is, the price is less than the value. I'm holding it here, right? Right? You can price it $5,000 when you effectively communicate the value of your offer. So think of the value of your offer, the payoff, how their life is going to change, how they're going to save time and effort, because now instead of them hesitating and procrastinating all day before creating a video, you're going to show them how they can create a video, shrink that time from it taking them 10 hours to create a video to now being able to do it in an hour. You have to communicate that. And not only are they able to create more, get more done in less time, they're able to create video that lands them $10,000. So price, the second strategy is price it greater than the value of your payoff. Because in the face of value, price doesn't matter. Third thing, and this is how you can price your offers easier than you think, right? One was make a price that makes you happy. Number two is price it greater than the payoff, right? It can be, like I said, you could make it up, right? You could literally make it up. If the payoff is $10,000, you can say, it's $1,000 because you're going to get a 10x return, or it's $5,000. You're going to double your investment, right? Or it's $2,000. You're going to 5x your investment. That's another pricing strategy. Okay. And the third pricing strategy that you can do is you can, and this is a mindset. Remember, I told you that some of you are going to have resistance to this. You're going to feel like you need to pull out a spreadsheet, right? And make sure the cost. And I'm just letting you know how easy it can be. How easy it can be. And another price point, now this may be a little controversial, is that you can seek guidance from Holy Spirit, right? So I remember when I had pivoted my business from being an executive coach to being a business coach. And I remember where God told me to create an offer, a 10K offer, to help clients enroll high ticket sales. And at the time, I was like crippled with doubt. I didn't own my value. I didn't believe in my worth. Even though I had helped clients produce those results, and I had sold high ticket offers and had clients from 3 months to up to 8 years, I was really struggling with owning my value. And so I was in disobedience. And I said, listen, I'm not gonna do that. Like, because no one's gonna buy from me. That was the mindset that I had, right? I hadn't at that time really taken my thoughts captive and changed the way that I think about sales, changed the way that I think about my value, changed the way that I think about money and making a lot of money doing what is easy and natural for me. And so I decided that I was going to create a 4-week course for $397. Guess what happened? No one bought. No one bought that course, right? No one bought that course. In fact, what did happen is people came to me and said, Althea, what is 4 weeks working with you going to help me with my sales? I need more time with you. I need to work with you for 6 months or a year. Isn't that interesting? That's what God had told me. And so then I decided to be obedient to Holy Spirit, and I created a 6K offer and a 10K offer. And guess what? People bought from me. Why is that? I've shared this before, and you know this. No one believes that the cheapest option is the best option. We don't believe that, right? Like, we cherish things that we invest at a higher level. We take it more seriously. When we see things at a higher price point, this is human psychology, right? And so we can work with human psychology and get in that ease flow where we're pricing easier than we think, or we can go the hard way. That's your choice. But I know you want ease and flow. And so I priced it at a price point that was in alignment with God, what God had said. And people bought from me. I'd love to hear from you. Which of the 3 are you going to adopt today? Because I don't want you to work harder than you need to. In fact, I'm so serious about you growing your sales faster without burning out that I created a free training on the 7 biggest sales mistakes that female entrepreneurs make that keep them from 7 figures. These are mistakes that you're probably making that you're not even aware of, that's happening on the subconscious and the unconscious level. And you may be wondering, like, why are sales hard for me and it's easy for some people? Why am I struggling with making a lot of money and a lot more money doing what is easy and natural for me? This training is going to help you understand that. I share the mistakes, and I also share what you should be doing instead. So go ahead and grab that training. You can go to, pin a comment so it's super easier for you. Again, the 7 biggest sales mistakes that female entrepreneurs make that keep them from 7 figures. So go ahead and grab that training and make sure to let me know which of the 3 strategies are you going to adopt in your business today so that you can price your offers easier than you think. Can't wait to continue the conversation below. Until then, take care. Love you big. Love you much. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we release a new video. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Go to altheamcintyre.com to get your free training on the 7 biggest sales mistakes that keep you from 7 figures.